In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your shipping address on Vestiaire Collective. Whether you've just moved house or are simply updating your details, knowing how to adjust your shipping information ensures you receive your favorite luxury items without a hitch. To make this process as seamless as possible, let's walk through each step together. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and search for Vestiaire Collective. By typing Vestiaire Collective into the search bar, you'll quickly find the official website appearing as the first result. Click on this link. It will take you directly to the Vestiaire Collective homepage. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign In option. Typically, this is located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on Sign In. This will prompt you to log into your account. Enter your details, your username and password. If you've forgotten your password, ensure you reset it using the Forgot Password option. After inputting the necessary information, click to log in. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to your profile icon, generally also positioned in the upper right corner. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu. From here, you want to select Account Settings. This section is your personal hub for updating various details associated with your account. Within the account settings, you'll want to look for an option that says Add New Address. Clicking here sets the course for updating your shipping information. You're then prompted to begin by selecting your country from a drop-down menu. Ensure you choose the correct one to avoid any shipping confusions later. Next, it's time to enter your new address. Carefully fill in the fields, including the street address, city, and any other necessary information to clearly delineate where you reside. Following this, you'll be guided to enter your postcode. Double-check this for accuracy as it's essential for ensuring deliveries arrive at the correct location. Once your address and postcode information are inputted, take a moment to review your details. Look around for a button that says Looks Good and click on it. This step acts as a confirmation that everything entered is accurate to the best of your knowledge. We're almost done. The next step involves entering your first and last name. This is a crucial bit of information that ties your identity to the shipping address. After you've entered your name, you're ready for the final touch. Click on Confirm to save all the information you've just entered. Congratulations! You've successfully updated your shipping address on Vestiaire Collective. By taking the time to ensure your profile is current, you facilitate timely and precise delivery of your luxurious finds. If you have any questions or run into any troubles, remember that the Vestiaire Collective support team is there to assist you. Happy shopping and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your treasures are on their way to the right destination.